Hi, boys and girls. Happy Thursday. All right, let's get started. We're going to do our rhyming. Remember, thumbs up if you think they rhyme, thumbs down if they do not. Repeat after me. Town had. Good job. Cry high. Awesome. Child mild. Run here. In, on. Nice job. Okay. Next one, we're going to do words that have the same first sound. You're going to repeat after me. Jelly, just, j. King, count, k. Little, late, l. Many, march, m. Pack, pole, p. Awesome. Next, get out those choppers. Here we go. T, n, 10. Ing, sing. V, an, van. P, asked, past. K, eind, kind. Good job. Here we go on our roller coaster. Remember, watch me first, then it's your turn. Have, have. Middle sound, ah. Good. Fell, l. Middle sound, tin, n. Middle sound, dog, og. Middle sound, aw. Luck, k. Middle sound, you got it. Okay, good job. Need those choppers again. Now we're going to say the word first, then put it into two pieces. Here we go. Ran, an. Gown, own. Cat, at. Dog, og. Kid, id. Awesome. Here we go. Two left. We're going to have words we're going to add pieces to. So we're going to start with one piece. We're going to add another piece and put them together. Repeat after me. An. Add f. Fan. Ed. Add b. Bed. Id. Add k. Kid. Og. Add o. Log. Uck. Add d. Duck. Very good. And the last one, we're going to delete a sound from the beginning of a word. We're going to take away. You're going to hold the word in your hands and we're going to take away that beginning sound. Back. Without b, what's left is ack. Pen. Without p, what's left is n. Fin. Without f, what's left is in. Pot. Without p, what's left is ought. nut. Without n, what's left is ut. Very good. Nice job. All right, everybody, have a great rest of your Thursday, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.